Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you or give you a couple tips that you guys can, avoid overheating in your iPhone and save your battery life. Just doing the simple tricks. Hope you follow along. The first things you want to do is make sure that your backup is completely done. The backup always going to help you not losing your any data while you're making any changes on your settings. Okay, to do that, you might want to go here and hit the iCloud, and on the bottom here, as you can see, the iCloud backup. Okay, so once your backup is completely done, or if you don't need it, that's fine, and make sure that, and go to your battery. Here you can see on the bottom and the right hand side which apps taking how much the battery your life. Okay, so if you don't need it, then you can disable uninstall it as per your need. And also you can see the battery health. Okay, if sometimes the overheating and the sucking your battery really quick is maybe your battery is time to change. If that requires, so you're gonna see the pop-up here, alert message, some kind of the message. It says weak or need some kind of alert message will pop up here. Accordingly follow along. Right now is I don't needed anything, so but the battery percentage is 100%. So how I can eliminate this, bring lower. Okay, first things you can do is put the low power mode always. You are opening any apps. Okay, the another thing you can do is going to the general, and as you can see here, backup app refresh. So if you don't need it, you can disable this just by going here and turn off. Okay, and whichever apps you want it, you can turn it on. Okay, and the one you want it, you can make it on, and the one you don't need it, then just turn it off. The another thing you can do is going to the privacy and the location service. So on the bottom here it's a system service. Okay, these are the things also is on while you operating any apps. So you might want to disable this, because you are sharing your location. One thing also, you are giving the sharing your iPhone the data's, the performance. These, I don't believe this is your job to share anything to your Apple. You can disable anytime if you don't need it. Okay, also you can location service, you can turn off here as well. So another thing you can do is just go to the general again. In general, there is on the bottom here it's a reset all settings. You can hit that and do the reset. Don't worry, don't be scared, you're not gonna lose any data or anything change gonna happen. It everything is safe. Just do that. Once you done that, and always make sure you are also closing all these browsers. Once the reset is completely done, I think that will bring some of the changes in your settings and the battery life, performance, and overheatings. Hope this helped. If you like the videos, comments, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this videos.